So today I'm going to talk about my wardrobe organization and how much it is so much better now. So let's just get into the video. The problem I had last time was that it was color coded, and the thing with color coded, it's good. It was color coded, it looked very pretty. I'm not gonna lie, color coded, it looks very pretty. But I've changed it now, and what I've done is basically this. All my coats I have in one section of my wardrobe, which is towards the end of I think on my right side basically. And then next, going down the other way, I have all my like tops and like my jumpers, and like I've just sectioned them in like one corner. So it starts from like really light clothed, like really light sort of like shirts, and like, yeah, lightly clothed shirts, and then it's like all the jumpers and all that, just basically all the knitwear basically. It just goes up towards that. And then I have like 3 random cardigans. Yeah, I just put them there because it's cardigans, and also with like cardigans where it can go with one of my shirts, or like, you know, not really with a jumper, but like it's a cardigan basically. Voice is going. It's a cardigan basically, and it's just perfect that it's just near the shirts and all the tops, because it's just, if you grab a shirt, or if you grab a shirt or like a top, the cardigans are right there. And then afterwards, from the cardigans, I have all my dresses. When I was going in like organizing my wardrobe, I did not know that I had so many dresses. I seriously thought I didn't have a lot, but I feel like I have a lot of dresses now. I'm really happy about that, because I don't wear dresses a lot, and like I've said, like especially last year, I was just buying a lot of dresses because I was like, I'm gonna make more of an effort to wear dresses. So this section is just basically all my dresses, and like I've not colored, and again, they're not color coded, it's just, this is the section for all the dresses. And like in my mind, I know like where everything, I know that this is the section for all my dresses. After the dresses section is basically just like the summer wear stuff. It just stays there because it's for summer. Don't really need to wear them. Some of the, like, what one item that's really sheer, you could put it off as a cardigan maybe, but I feel like it's just summer outfits. This is their section. After that is basically just a section where all the clothes that just don't fit me anymore. No, they don't actually not fit me, they just don't fit perfectly. So I'm currently trying to lose weight. When I say lose weight, I'm just trying to drop a dress size. I'm size 16 now, and I just want to drop to a size 14 because, oh no, it's breaking the drop. Yeah, as I was saying, yes, I'm trying to drop a dress size. These are the items that I really do love. I don't want to throw them away because I just basically just need to lose a little bit of weight, and I am trying to make that effort to lose a little bit of weight. So I'm keeping those items because I genuinely don't want to let go of it. And also at the top of the shelf in my wardrobe, that's where I store all like my trousers, jeans. They're all just basically up there. I organized it while I was decluttering, so there are items that I did declutter, and like they've gone through the washing machine. I've washed them because I'm not going to give someone else clothes that are already worn, and like I'd rather just wash it basically. I'm in the process of washing all of the clothes basically, and like, yeah, I've just basically, there's a whole bag of stuff that I'm basically decluttered and giving to actually relatives back home. Basically we sent some stuff back home, and my partner came and said that his sister said, like, you know those like leggings, like there was these jeggings I got from Primark, and like she was like, oh my goodness, Priscilla, you know those jeggings that you sent back home? My sister can't go up the street without everyone asking where she got it from. And I got it for £3. So they basically love it because, like, you know, it's sending them back stuff. Back home, they don't have money to like buy clothes on a monthly basis. No, it's, yeah, you know, stuff is tough back home. Sometimes I send them stuff that I bought from the store. So I've also decluttered the kids' clothes as well, and like I'm still decluttering some stuff for the kids, especially their shoes as well. Sending it back home, probably sending some baby stuff as well. I'm putting it in that bag, but like it feels nice to declutter. There was items in there I haven't worn. I feel like every time I declutter, I become more disattached with items, because before I was like, I'm never gonna give it away, but now it's like, no, give it away. There are items as well in my wardrobe that I feel like if a couple of years, maybe when I get into my late 30s, there were items when I bought, I was like, I'm never gonna give this away, but like I thought, I'm gradually getting to that point where it's like, give it a couple of years, I know I'm going to get sick and tired of that, I'm going to give it to someone else. So it's good to have that mentality, and like I'm not attaching myself to clothes. With this, I feel like, I know my trousers are up there, I could grab my trousers. It's nice and it's in a pile, it's in a nice neat pile. And like if I want to grab a jacket, I can grab a jacket, I know it's at the end. Blouses, tops, jumpers, I know it's basically after the jackets. And then I know it's like cardigan, dresses, and then over there is just summer and stuff that don't fit me, so I don't have to go in there as much until, you know, until like the stuff actually start fitting me, or until it's like summertime. Seriously, it's a mental thing. In my mind, I know where the sections are, and like I'm doing this video and I haven't written down like, yeah, after this section is this. It's basically installed in my mind how I basically organized the wardrobe, and like I like that, and I'm telling you, the past couple of days, it's made life so easy. And it's not like you're leaving items, you're not wearing them. They're in this one section, and because you're like on a regular basis you're going into that section, right? Especially the coats and the tops, right? I'm regularly going into that section, so there's not tops in there that are like 6-7 months like I'm not worn. Like I'm like making an effort to wear them on a regular basis, and that's what I love about this organization. Trust me guys, it will help you. I was feeling confused and I was feeling frustrated before, but it's helped me. So that was it guys for the video, and I hope this really helped you and gave you like tips in like organizing your wardrobe. And yeah, take care of yourselves guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.